And then I came out here a little late. Oh, right here. Y'all seen that? Got them right there. He bit on the white again. Bit on that bottom one. So they might be deep today. It might be done a little deep. He's smaller than others, but he'll keep it though. Dang, I hate getting tangled up. Y'all stay tuned, baby. Let me get this fixed real quick. Back on, guys. Oh, we got a double. We got a double. Man, we got a double once again. Y'all check it out. Y'all check it out, baby. Y'all check it out. My damn hook. Hey, I will swallow it. There you go. Chill out, homeboy. Chill out. Uh-oh, stomach over here growling, talking to me and shit. We got a double, baby. Call that the Fade the River Slam. That's what I'm gonna call that. Anytime I get a double, that's gonna be the Fade the River Slam. And it's crazy because I seen it when they was chasing it. Seen it when they was chasing it.